How to add tracking number on Depop. The first things first is of course make sure that you're logged in to your Depop account as an administrator. The reason why we're trying to log in as an admin is because we'll have to get access with a specific catalogs of the products that we sell. Now you should be able to add tracking number if your current item that has been sold has already been shipped out. Now for you to be able to add a tracking number manually, all you have to do is to select that specific product and change the shipping label. And by there is an actual field or a specific space for you to enter or input your tracking number from the shipment details. And that's it. That's how you add tracking number on Depop.